It's too early to talk about Z Fold 5, but as per rumor are getting out, we are seeing some of the updates in the cameras and potentially how the next foldable phone will do in the market. The big updates we might see on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is its cameras, potentially the front-facing selfie shooter, where we see a 12 megapixel selfie shooter instead of 10 megapixel on the Z Fold 4, and also there will be an update in inner display camera, but the pixels are not confirmed. As per the rumors, Galaxy Z Fold 5 will come with a 50 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN3 sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and potentially a 10 megapixel telephoto sensor, just like we have seen on the Z Fold 4. But as we are getting closer to the launch, chances are there we might see a big camera update, maybe 108 megapixel main shooter, just like we have seen on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The news that you might not believe that Z Fold 5 will come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, not the Plus version, which is something unusual since we always get a new processor in foldables, just like this year's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. But it seems like Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is powerful enough to go with the Z Fold 5. But this is too early to confirm because every generation comes with important updates, where we see the big improvements on Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 instead of Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So we can hope we'll get a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 in the Z Fold 5. If not, then more optimized Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the Z Fold 5. This year, Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with the new hinge design and a new aspect ratio, which brings down that Samsung will not going to change the single hinge design on the Z Fold 5, because with that we get the IPX8 rating on the Z Fold 4. So we might see a similar design on the Z Fold 5, 120Hz, 7.6 inches AMOLED display and 6.2 inches cover display. If you guys up for a bigger battery, then you guys should be happy, since as this year we get to know about the Samsung will going to use a new stacking technology, which helps Samsung to put a bigger battery in the same size as they did with the rollable batteries, which means we can hope to get a bigger battery on the Z Fold 5, potentially bigger than 4400 mAh battery on the Z Fold 4, and a better charging speed 45 watt instead of 25 watt on the Z Fold 4. But Samsung new charging algorithm is what makes the difference, and I think 25 watt is still enough for that. We can see the Z Fold 5 coming next year in August, just like we have seen the Z Fold 3 last year and the Z Fold 4 this year, along with the Watch 6 and the Z Flip 5. If you want to see how Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will beat iPhone 14 Pro Max with these 3 updates, then you guys should check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.